Good morning, kids. Wake up.
Is it picnic day, Mom?
Yes, Leo. It is picnic day.
Yay! I love the park. Hi!
Wash your face, please.
I am ready. Let's go. Whoa!
You look pretty, Chloe.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah.
Let's pack the food.
I have the bread, Mom. Ah.
One sandwich for Jack.
Nah.
One sandwich for me.
Look. 4 big apples.
We need water. It is hot.
Woo! Orange juice. My favorite.
Sweet cookies for dessert.
The basket is full. Good job.
Can Teddy go too?
Yes, Teddy can go.
Mom!
Are we ready? Let's go.
How?
This basket is heavy.
I want the window seat. Bye!
Safety first. Buckle up.
The weather is perfect.
Here we go. To the park.
Look at the trees. They are green. I see a bluebird.
Huh?
Turn right here, Jack.
The road is very quiet.
We are going to Skunks. We are going to the park. Park, park, beautiful park.
I am happy today.
It is a great day for family.
We are here. Stop the car.
We are here. Everybody out.
The grass is so soft. Look, Mom. Pink flowers.
Let's sit here, under the tree.
Help me with the blanket, kids.
I am helping, Mom. Teddy is hungry now. Dad, can we play ball?
Can we ball? Yes. Kick it to me, Leo. Yes.
Catch it, Dad. Catch it.
Dad!
Good kick. Now, again.
You are both very fast.
Eat your apple, Teddy. Look! A small brown dog.
The sun is very hot now.
Time for lunch. Come here.
I want a big sandwich.
Here you are, Leo.
This is delicious. And for you, Chloe. Thank you, Mom. I love cheese.
The water is cold. Good.
Who wants a red apple?
Me. I want a red apple.
Eat slowly, Chloe.
Can I have a cookie now?
No, Leo. Eat your sandwich first.
The park is so beautiful.
A bee. Mom, a bee.
Don't worry. The bee is gone.
Look at the clouds. They are gray.
Oh no, the wind is strong.
Is that rain? I feel wet.
It is raining. Pack the food.
Hurry, the sandwiches are wet.
My ball. I have my ball. I am wet. I don't like rain.
It's okay, Chloe. Let us go to the car.
Run to the car, everyone!
The grass is slippery. Watch out!
Get in now!
We are all very wet.
Our picnic is ruined. My new shoes are dirty.
Don't be sad. We are safe here.
Let's have a picnic at home.
A picnic? Inside the house?
Yes.
An indoor picnic is fun.
Go change your clothes, kids.
These are warm. I like them. I am dry now. I am happy.
Look, our new picnic spot.
Hot soup for everyone.
The soup smells great, Dad. The cookies are still dry. Yay!
And then Teddy ate a giant cookie.
You are funny, Dad.
I love our indoor picnic.
Teddy is happy now, too.
Listen to the rain. It is peaceful.
I am tired, but it was a good day. Family time is the best time.
Good night, everyone. I love you.